Hey guys, I wanted to show you my fairly new Yeti M30 and more specifically how I load it. I'm not going to do a full review of the cooler. It's a great cooler. It's easy to reach in and get stuff, but it's not easy to load because you need two hands to load things, and when you let go of one, it snaps shut. So Yeti's got a good video out actually how to do that in several different ways, but I devised a different way. This is the top of a 5-gallon bucket, and you just open it up and wedge that in there. It elongates a little bit, but I've never had it collapse. And then you can just pour drinks in there, ice in there, whatever you want. I also like to clean my coolers out after I'm done, dry them out, and let them air dry, and this does the job really well. After a day or so of leaving this in here, it will be elongated, but after you take it out, it'll come back into shape. And this is cheap and easy to build also. So real quick, this is the bucket that I cut it off of. So it's just the top rim of the bucket, 5-gallon bucket. You probably have these laying around the house. If you don't, you can buy them at Lowe's or Home Depot for about $5. So here's an uncut bucket, and what you do is I took a hacksaw and just cut above the second rim. So after you cut a while, you'll get a slot right there, and then I took the hacksaw blade out of the saw, and with some gloves you stick the blade through the crack that you just made, and then just saw along this rib using as a guide all the way around, and then you're left with the ring. Then I took some sandpaper and just sanded the rim so that it doesn't hurt the cooler at all. This way you still have a functioning bucket, probably not full strength, but if you're using it for a trash can or whatever, it still works. You could probably cut on the bottom of all the ribs and have it be even stronger. I haven't tried that, just haven't needed to, but it would probably work. For that matter, you could make this ring out of a lot of different materials. You could build something up out of aluminum or whatever material you have around. But it works real well. I call it a load ring, and you just kind of pop it in here. Not too difficult. Just holds it open. It's really helped me with the cooler. Otherwise, I love this cooler, but loading it is just kind of a bear, and this helps a lot. So thought you guys might want to see that. Let me know if you have any other ideas about how to make a ring, other materials. Put that in the comments. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.